In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on a Vauxhall Opel key, very easy and simple way. The battery is located on the back of the key fob. How to replace the battery? First open the key, then open the fob. You can do it with 2 fingers, just pull a little harder. The battery type on this car key is 2032. Pull the battery out. You can do this with a screwdriver or tweezers. Replace the old battery with a new one. Now you need to close up the key fob, just squeeze. Key battery replaced, enjoy your ride. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.